Hello, my name is Mark Jang, and for my MA Phase 2 final project, I chose to model KO from Valorant. The project took over 100 hours to complete and is made up of 64 parts. The majority of the body was created using 3D sketching into boundary surface and thickening. Field and swept surfaces were also frequently used for less complicated parts. The details on his armor and body were created using a combination of reference planes, chamfers, and surface trims, while his abdomen was created by sweeping over a 3D guide curve. The torso was put together through rectangular coincident mates, and I used hinge mates for his limbs and fingers to allow rotation. The biggest challenge of the project was creating accurate surfaces using 3D sketches, especially the head and shoulders where the shapes were more organic. I simulated the weight of his weapon pulling down his ring with the maximum stress within the yo range. KO was rather intimidating and challenging to make in the beginning, but I was able to learn many new skills in SOLIDWORKS by overcoming these challenges. Thank you for watching.